Good morning, I'm Lynn, and welcome to another day at Ewetopia Farms. Not sure what's going to happen today. I know for a fact that Arnie's got to get more hay done, and we're really hoping that pretty soon the hay will be over and we can move on to other things. But another thing that's on our goal for today is to get some Suffolk breeding groups going. I don't know if we'll have time, but we're going to try for it. So let's get started. So of course we're going to start off with Tommy. Hi Tommy. Hi. There you go. Still won't let me touch him. That's your bowl, Scotty. Tommy's not there. You're safe. Okay, so right now we're in with Kasanova, seeing how he's doing. He's at the very back of the barn here with a single ewe. Everybody else is up front. What are you two doing back here? Is there any hanky-panky going on? Is there? Hi. I'm pretty sure she's got red back there. But, yeah, his marker's a little off to the side, but it is still marking. You can see that she's got a red rump. The fact that he's back here with her and she's staying back here with him shows that she's in the mood, but I guess they might have been at it for a while because they're looking a little worn out right now. Is that tough work? You poor boy. The boys have such a hard job. I'll just quickly check some of these other girls. I don't see any signs in here. Although that one may have some orange in there, but that could be just a little where she ran away. Hi girls. Oh, here's one with orange on her. Under there, so that's two. Looks like we got two. So we're gonna let these girls out. Haven't heard back from the shearer, so we're probably very shortly gonna join these girls with the others to go to the better pasture. Because the one they're on right now isn't gonna last very long. But I wanted to show you up here. We got Hot Lips and Big Betty. Hi, Hot Lips. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Is your mom here? She is. Yeah, I think you found her. So I guess we have some news for today as well. It just reminded me when I see some of these ewes are just beautiful. So they are definitely going to go into the keeper group. But it reminded me I got a message and some photos from Amanda who bought Louie from us this summer. They went out to British Columbia on the truck with Andrew's two ewes, and she sent me photos. He went to his first show and he was supreme champion. So congratulations to Amanda And I'm going to thank her for trusting in our sheep, bringing them all the way across the country. And I'm really glad she did well with him. He looks like he's grown into a beautiful ram. It's always hard to guarantee that when you buy a ram lamb, but he looks awesome, and I think it was a well-deserved win for him. I'll post the photos she sent right after this. Everybody waiting at the gate. You guys know the routine already. Hot Lips, she came all the way from the front to the back so you could go in. Your little angel. You guys want to go outside? Yeah, I think so. I think Hot Lips went out first, Big Betty. She was first one out. She was first one out. Go that way, honey. I think you're looking for her, but she was first out. At least this group of sheep tends to go farther out instead of sticking at the entryway here. I don't know what her issue is. What's your issue? The group's over there. I don't know what she's doing. She belongs with this group. I don't know what her issue is. She obviously turned the wrong way in the field. They definitely went to the other end of the field. Actually, they're spread out all over the field. So, well, Arnie's been mowing hay. Now he's out baling it. Look what I've been doing. Guess who this is? Hi, sweetheart. Let's show how lovely you look. Come on. Let's go somewhere where you're not in a dip in a hole. Come on. Come on. Put your head up, honey. Let's show how nice. This is Thelma. She got a scissor job, and she's pretty happy about it. She stayed for the whole thing, and she chewed her cud the whole way. Don't you look lovely, Thelma? And almost finished. is her sister. You gonna get up, Louise? Are you gonna get up and show how pretty you are too? Yeah, they're all going out. You're gonna have to get up to show everybody. You're almost done. We just have the little back end left on Louise. But she's almost done too. That's pretty nice, Louise. Pretty, pretty nice. Hi, don't you look lovely with your haircut? Oh my goodness. You feel so much better now. It's going into the high 30s this week. Well, Louise is complete now too. She's looking very pretty. I was trying to clip some of the Suffolks, and Thelma and Louise kept coming back for more. But the Suffolks aren't as... Oh, the Suffolks have way thicker wool, like coarser too. So I got little patches off a few of them before they got up and walked away. But I got a start on them. Hey, you two. We got little starts on you two. This is Louise looking very proud though. And outside grazing we have Thelma. So Thelma and Louise are totally sheared off. And there's a Suffolk right beside Thelma there. She's almost got all her wool off. Just a little bit more on one side and around the back. But now I got a backache and the beginnings of a blister. So I'll probably try to do a little each day until the real shearer actually arrives. If he does. Well, here comes Louise out to join Thelma. Now they've had their wool cut off. They're all itchy. So Thelma's having a little rub there on the equipment. So Arnie's at the neighbor's getting... This is third cut too, right?
Second.
Oh, this is second?
No, yeah, second, yeah.
Second?
This is the field that Corey Droogh took off.
Okay, so Corey got the first cut and we're taking a bit of second cut off. There's a little bit more down there yet to pick up. And in the background you can see our corn. It's doing really, really well. Heading home, so I guess I'll follow back home and taking them off the wagon so we can wrap them. This has alfalfa in it, so it does have to be wrapped. We have some hay down in some other fields. I think he's gonna check that out tomorrow, but we're hoping those bales can be dry baled because they're mainly grasses, and grass dries down a lot easier than alfalfa does, because we really don't need any more wrapped hay. Today is the day of photos, so here are the 4 ewe lambs that just left the farm the other day, and they're at their new home. I forgot to mention the other day that rain, that thunderstorm, it didn't materialize here, so we didn't get our hay ruined. And right now it's windy again and looks like it's threatening something, but no rain in the forecast. So Arnie's getting that second cut hay wrapped. I'm making dinner, and I'm also going to call this a day. I hope you enjoyed your time at Ewetopia Farms. Hope you had a nice long weekend. And until tomorrow, bye for now.